Okay, guys, here is a rendering if we straighten out the island. I know I don't have measurements yet, but what I've got right now from the face of the fridge wall to the edge of the island is 72 inches. And from the face of the countertop to the face of the cooktop wall is 113. And I have, with this layout, and this is obviously subject to change, and I can easily move this number 47 is the sink cabinet, move it to the left. I would suspect your sink somewhere around here, so we can move this back. But right now, the way this layout is the center or a good position for the plumbing to come up with this layout. The plumbing is 132 from the plumbing to the cooktop wall, and then 135 to the fridge wall. I've got, let's see here, about 48 inches from the left side of this island to the face of those cabinets. Right now, this island is 104 inches long. Obviously, this wall is good. We've got 48 inches here, so I know we're not going to be too far out into this area. I just don't know where this patio wall is. But we can move it back. And again, just doing some basic referencing, I know the back of your island is probably a little bit further back, so we can easily slide this back and then move these cabinets around. So your 4-drawer stack, sink cabinet, and then we could easily put a farm sink in there, dishwasher, spice, and then the drawer and standard door below it. And 36 inches. So we have the 12-inch overhang on the back. And you have plenty of room this way because I know the island is further towards the TV than what's shown in this rendering. So you could do maybe a 12-inch bank of cabinets on the back of this. And this countertop right now is 36. So you'd have about a foot plus, a little more than a foot from the edge of this to the back of the sink. So if you put a 12-inch run of cabinets on the back, your countertop would grow from, this is about 38 inches, you would add another foot, so about 4 feet. So roughly 4 feet by 104. But give me an idea where that plumbing is, just a rough measurement from this wall to the faucet, or where that plumbing bumps up to the floor, and from the plumbing to the fridge wall, same thing. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks.